Good afternoon. Today I'm going to try some pan fishing with the Gulp Minnow and the ultralight again. Hopefully we'll do better than the last time. Got some on and off rain all day so far, so hopefully that's cooled off the water a little bit and make it a little bit easier for me. And yeah, let's see how we can do. I'm going to try to get a 10-incher today if I can. Hopefully if we don't get that, we can at least come close. Oh, this one's better than I thought it was. Not shabby. I know, bud. Get you back in there. I see another one. I'm gonna have to try to get him to hit. There we go. Oh, this one's pretty good. Wow. And this one's pretty big. Oh, easy, bud. Hang on. I know. Ooh. Big old deal. About 9 inches. Oh. See you, bud. That was a good one. Oh. That was a good take. Another big bluegill. Bad at all. We'll see you, bud. Well, there we go. See, bud. I think I seen a bigger one following him there. Man, he hooked himself. That ain't a bad one either for how shallow that was. Easy. Gotcha, bud. See ya. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to get closer to that waterfall. It's only like 2 foot high, but I just want to get a closer look at it. I passed it a few times and just never stopped. What is this? Wolf bass. Nice. I knew it felt different. Let me see that, buddy. Just barely get you. See ya. Little frog there. I think I got him. Yeah, there he goes. Well, I'm going to have to go ahead and call it a day for now. I had a pretty good time though. We almost got there. Got a 9-incher or so. And a couple of other big ones. So that was a nice improvement. And we'll get that 10-incher eventually. I want to try to get it so I have it for the Tennessee Angler Recognition Program for my bluegill trophy fish. But I will get it eventually. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. Thank you for watching.